welcome on board Utopia of the Seas, Royal Caribbean's brand new cruise ship. I'm on a preview sailing and I'm so excited. I just got back to my cabin and I'm one of the first ever guests to be invited to the new Royal Railway. This is a brand new concept for Royal Caribbean, an actual train, a royal train on a cruise ship. So on my bed, when I came back to my cabin, I had two things. One was an invitation from the Caribbean Union Telegraph Company, take a look at that, and the other was an actual invitation in this pouch. Check it out, how cute is this? This is the golden ticket. I will be going to the Wild West tonight on the train, on the cruise ship. Let's check it out and see what on earth it's like. I'm not sure I'm a moonshine fan.
Tickets, please. Excuse me. I'm sorry, but I am the conductor aboard this here train, and if you don't have a ticket, I'm gonna have to ask you to step off. Whoa. Did you just say smooth sailing? Yeah, easy with the metaphor in there, Jared. You know right well we are not on a boat. That guy. Come on, give a fella some warning. That'll just knock you right on your caboose. Hey, look, board folks, thanks. Take care.
Be careful. There are robbers in these here parts.
We sure will.
Okay.
So long.
All right.
Yes, that is a creeper image right there. That's really good. Is it good? Okay.
say, I think the concept of a train on a cruise ship with a whole big dining experience that can take you across the world on a locomotive is absolutely brilliant. Only Royal Caribbean could come up with something so innovative. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed my review video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There's a little circle going to come up on the screen round about there. Click on it and do look out for all my other videos of Utopia of the Seas. Happy travelling!